When I read the asinine remarks of these cheap lawyers, I'm fully confident that they possess unparalleled mediocrity. Kaya ako nakaka-answer tuloy. Narinig, my client enjoys the presumption of innocence. Intindihan ba nila what is the meaning of presumption of innocence? Ibig mo sabihin, we have to stop our mind from working until after the final verdict for years and years? Ganon ba yun? Ano pinagsasabi nito mga abogado ito? Let me emphasize that the most basic defense, even in the charge of the most egregious corruption, is the presumption of innocence. This legal phrase means simply that the burden of proof is on the prosecutor. That's all that it means. You're not required to presume a person innocent until the very day that judgment is promulgated against him. It is a judgment of conviction. What are they saying? That you will suspend our rights to make up our own minds? Na ganyan ang mga ebidensyang pinapalabas? Ganito yon. There is a basic distinction in criminal law between a presumption of law on the one hand and a presumption of fact on the other hand. A presumption of law can be rebutted by the facts. So the presumption of innocence is not being rebutted almost every single day by all forms of media, including social media. At meron silang mga hawak, may litrato sila, may mga quotation sila from eyewitnesses, and all other forms of evidence under the rules. And a presumption of fact is different from presumption of law. A presumption of law can be rebutted by the facts. Presumption lang yan eh. Hindi naman ibig sabihin, may batas na hindi tayo pwedeng maniwala na masama laban sa kanya, maski lahat ng ebidensya ay pinalabas niya. A presumption of fact can be rebutted by another, stronger fact. So, kung mukhang may sala itong tao, may buong karapatan siya na magbigay din ng kanyang sariling ebidensya, anuman ang forma ng ebidensya niya. Video, radio tape, camera, still or video, documents, particularly those official in nature, testimonies by eyewitnesses. Lahat ng yan. Pag may ebidensyang pinalabas, ganito yan. Pag official ka, may presumption of innocence. Pag may ebidensya na pinalabas, the presumption of evidence, the presumption of innocence is now overcome by the evidence. Kaya, ikaw magbigay ka naman ng ebidensya mo para ngayon, pantay.